Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see the details about the original degree under jntuk Kakinada. First of all, for applying the original degree, we have to receive the PC and CMM. After receiving the PC and CMM, there are two types of process of application of OD, original degree. That is one post convocation and pre convocation. In pre convocation, who are eligible are uh, pre-convocation is nothing but Tatkal also. Uh, Candidates who have passed during 2020 comes under pre-convocation, either PG or UG. For post-convocation, who are passed out from 2009 to 2018 are eligible under post-convocation, and these are the fees details according to the year passed out. Please don't delay in applying the original degree. If you are going on delay, your fee amount will be increasing 500 year by year. For example, you can see here for 2008 passed out students 2000 rupees post convocation fee. If you delayed for 1 year, and you have to pay 2500. So year by year the fee is going on increasing. And who have passed out in 2009 have to pay 6000 post convocation fee for original degree. So please don't delay on applying OD. Who are eligible for applying OD? As I said that provisional degree and CM certificates are eligible for applying original degree certificates. And what are the documents required? There are nearly are there. Document 1, bank payment form, for which contains hall ticket number, bank payment reference number and contact number. First of all, we have to register in the site jntukexams.net with a few details like email ID, registration type, hall ticket number, password and verification code. According to these, we have to register first, and then we have to enter our hall ticket number and make the payment. So after registration, document 1, bank payment receipt we will get, and second document SSC certificate, and the size of the certificate should be in 50 KB to 200 KB in PDF format. In PDF format. And document 3, provisional certificate, same, in between the size between 50 KB to 200 KB. Maximum all the documents should be in PDF format, and the size of the file should be between 50 KB to 200 KB. There is a small change for document 6, that is recent photographs size, that should be in JPG format, and the size should be less than 100 KB. And you have to give the file name with your roll number. For passport size photo, you have to give the file name as your BTech or PG hall ticket number, which is given by the college. So first one, bank payment challan copy. Second document, SSC certificate. Third document, provisional certificate. And fourth document, CMM, consolidated marks memo. And fifth, all semester marks memos for PG course only. All marks memos for PG courses only. For UG, CMM is enough. CMM, consolidated marks memo is enough. And photograph should be less than 80 to 100 KB size, or in dimensions it should be 456 into 568 pixels. And step 8, the candidates has to upload the educational details like PC, CMM, SSC, photos and personal details in online application. In online application. Step 9. After successful completion of application, the application will given an unique application number which is used in the future correspondence. Future correspondence. That website is jntukexams.net. Exam.net. So registration is compulsory for applying the OD with a few details required. Thank you.